Let's take another exercise in SolidWorks, bearing support box. This is a kind of assembly and we will do in part modeling. Now here you will see this is our front view and this is the section view, section AA. If you see from this side, it will look like this. Now this is part 2 and this is part 1. So we will sketch both together, but this we will save as a different part. So let's start to this. You will see all dimensions are in millimeter, cast alloy material, and corner radius 0.8. Radius are already shown here. We will do at the end. And unspecified radius. See, these radius are unspecified 6 millimeter. Now let's zoom this. This outer circular diameter 82. Now if I'm going to zoom and you will see here we have 560, outer diameter 82, then this inner diameter 60, then there is one more inner diameter 54, then these diameter 40. Both side is same. Now there is inside, you will see this cutout 26 and 34. If you see this detail view, this is looks like inside 3 millimeter, outside to outside 5 millimeter, and overall from end to end 10 millimeter. And these are same in both side. Just check this dimension. This corner radius 14.8 and center in 1 point. Okay, so let's do this somehow. And dimensions also later we will check this. Now I am going to activate front plane sketch. Now activate line tool. Now I am going to start from here, connect to here, here, comes here. If you go back to the again point and see, the line is simply converted into arc. Click somewhere here, go up and connect. Press escape key to out. Now first delete this relation and modify this. Take little upside, do something like this. Okay, let's make this construction line so that it makes us ease for do. Now start from here to this corner. Now the diameter going to be 82 millimeter and this diameter going to be 40 millimeter. Fine. There is a radius 14 millimeter. That's it. Okay, let's make the activate line tool and draw. Do not create any relation. Go little up and again go back and see the line is converted into arc. I'm going to little here, come little upper side and directly connect to this. Press escape key to out. Now here I'm going to select these 2 points, merge or coincide. Merge is better option. Now here I am going to make different relation. Press and hold shift key, select these 2 lines, equal and collinear. It means in one line. Okay, again press and hold shift key, select these 2 lines and leave the shift key and you will see this pop up, equal, smart dimension. Now according to our section view, this is 3 millimeter, this one 5 millimeter, and from this end to this end 10 millimeter. Okay, and diameter from this end to here 26 millimeter, and diameter for this 34 millimeter. Look, these things are defined, and radius for this 8 millimeter. Okay, now this is going to be, okay, diameter for this 60 millimeter. And here one more step, diameter for this 54 millimeter. Okay, now let's define further. Sketch. Go back to the point. Okay, I want to define a now this one I am going to end up to here and connect. Exit. Now again let me define and connect. Bearing support box, save. Now in this section similar face we have to make here. So activate line tool and I am going to start from here. Now go back little up, and if you go back to the point and see, this is also going to convert into arc. Connect from here to here. Press escape key to out. Now let's do some press and hold shift key, select these two lines, leave, and you will see this pop up equal and collinear. Similarly, press and hold shift key, select these two lines, leave, shift, equal. Smart dimension 3, end to end 5, and from this end to this end 10. Okay, now let's define the diameter 26. For this 34. Okay, now let's delete some relation like this one, so it should be independent. If I move somewhere, smart dimension 14, this one 8. Now select the center point of both circle, merge. Okay, smart dimension, this distance given from here to here 6 millimeter. Okay, this point tangent, that's fine. Okay, let's see what else we can do for this. Smart dimension, now distance from here to here, from here to this going to be 10, 12 millimeter. Okay, now this is 10, fine. Now from here to here 22. Now look, distance from here to here 22, from here to this end 12, and this end to end 10. So let's balance this. Total if we calculate 66. From here to here 12. Okay, 10 already given. Now let's select end to end, going to 66. Okay, now select, press and hold shift key, select these two lines collinear. Okay, we solved few things. This and tangent, this is also solved. Now look here, 4 millimeter this gap slot, and from end to end here see 35 millimeter we added now. So let's do this. 4 millimeter from here to here. Okay. Now from here to this end 35. Delete. Okay, now this is going to be directly connect. Okay, our drawing seems fully defined. Do this carefully. Now let's revolve whatever we want. Now activate revolve boss base. Now here we have more than one closed geometry. So first I am going to select this. See, axis of revolution, these line already selected. Direction keep blind, and 360 degree we want complete body. Say yes. Okay, just check here. If you see section view, okay, normal. Now see, this is our shapes are achieved. Now let's do some, you will see this 5 by 22 millimeter this rib, and this rib dimension you will observe from here back 28 millimeter from center point, and this is up to radius 82. So front plane, sketch, corner rectangle, let me draw one rectangle, 5 tab 22 enter. Okay, now these dimension you will observe from here 8 plus 15 plus 15 plus 6. So okay, from this face 15 15 8 38 millimeter from this face, right? From here to here 28. From this face to this face 15 plus 15 plus 8 38. Extrude. Now extrude up equivalent to diameter 82. Keep end condition mid plane. You will see the preview. Okay. Now everything fine. Now let's create this flange. You will see here corner radius 10, this radius 15. Then this is also 15, and this thickness 8 millimeter. But this is going to start from 38 millimeter. 15, 15, 8. 38 millimeter, then move 8 millimeter inside. Then you will observe here 22 diameter circle 3, and depth you will see 11 8 8 minus 11 is going to be 3 millimeter. Okay, now position for this 50 millimeter from top, from here to here 38, and from this point to this point also 38. So let me create a plane. Select. Now select this face, plane 38, put dimension 38. This is moving wrong direction, so flip offset. Okay. Now select the plane and activate the sketch. Now I'm going to mirror. Now this looks better. Now I'm going to start from somewhere here, go back, and if you go back to the point, the line is converted into arc. Okay. Again I am going back to the point and the line is converted into arc. Okay, come down. Again go back to the point and this is converted into arc. Now connect with this and close. Right click, select and exit. First make this relation vertical. Now select the center point of this arc, hold shift key, coincide. It is important. Tangent relation, let's apply dimensions. 10, 15. Okay. Now distance from here to here 50. Again distance from here to this circle 38. Now this from here to here 38. Now select, hold shift key, select these two circles equal. Select this line, construction. Now select all the lines and plane together and click mirror entity. Okay, again I am going to select this, copy. Okay. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Extrude. Keep end condition blind. I want to move in one direction and this is the direction inside. Depth only 8 millimeter. You will see the preview. Say OK. Now look. Now click on the plane, hide. Now if you check, there is unnecessary lines. So select this previous plane, activate revolve cut. Now here this time I am going to select this face, this inside face. Axis of revolution, this already selected by default. System 360 degree, say OK. Now look inside, everything is trimmed and perfectly aligned. Now here we have one more problem. Delete this option. How do this? Simply go to direct editing or here search delete face. Look, delete face. Click and activate and choose here this face, and in option select delete and patch so that it will remove only this face and rest same. Okay, look. Now here I am going to make holes. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, and if you keep cursor you will see origin point and this is going to be 22, enter. Similarly find out the center point and draw circles. Press escape key to out. Press and hold shift key, select all the circles. One already defined dimension equal. Now it seems fully defined. Extrude. And this is going to be start condition same, end condition blind, 11 minus 8. 3 millimeter. That's fine. Now there is a 3 holes. Hole wizard. Activate simple hole, let's say ISO. I'm going to make drill, and the hole size is 10 millimeter. Now end condition, how long you need to, so this is going to be through all, or I'm going to select up to next position. Now select one face. Now you can just place, if you keep cursor you will see center point, place at center point. Similarly, let's say I'm going to place here, press escape key to out. Now select this one and this outer one coincide. Again select the center point, press and hold shift key, select this outer edge, coincide. See, this is lies at center. Now see, we selected next, so it is going to cut only up to next. Say okay. Look, the holes are created. Now look, there are 3 holes, and see 3 holes. Now one more thing, this is not close. I will show you. There is a one cutout 5 millimeter, and you will see the depth 26 millimeter, radius 40. But before going, we have to connect it. We have to connect it first. Okay. Now if I'm going to show section view, okay, normal. Look, these should be filled, not gapped. Okay. So I am going to select. If we extrude this, there will be a problem. Okay, let's do this first. Sketch, activate line tool, connect from here to this line, press escape key to out. See, this is fully defined sketch. Now extrude, reverse up to surface, up to this surface. Say okay. But look, there is again, we have to change the position from drag this upside to here. Is still not. Now that's fine. Now this option should be upper than this, extrude cut. Now because after cut we have a clean body inside, and this is our geometry perfectly. Sketch, activate circle, diameter 40, enter. Activate line tool, press escape key to out. Now activate trim entity. Activate power trim, press and hold left mouse and drag. See, this is going to trim. Okay. Now let's define few important dimensions. 26. Okay, I want to make this at center. So simply press and hold shift key and select these 2 lines, make equal. Look, this is going to be at center. Extruded cut, according to drawing, depth is 5 millimeter. Say okay. See, plane, okay. Now front plane, normal view. Now look, this is what I want to achieve. See, now there is a rib 6 millimeter, and you will see 34.5 angle, and from this end to here. Front plane, sketch, activate line tool, and start rib from this end to meet here. Press escape key to out, activate smart dimension, and let's define the angle 34.5 degree. Select this one and select this line, coincide. Okay, it is fully defined sketch. Activate rib. Now look, arrow moves wrong direction. If you see here, so simply flip material side. Now arrow move towards body. Thickness 6 millimeter, and first here you have to choose either material flow in one side or both sides. So I am going to keep material flow both sides, so that 3 millimeter one side, 3 millimeter other side. Say okay. Look here. If I am going to select this face, rotate, hold shift key, select this face, and you will see our normal distance 6 millimeter at right bottom. Okay. Now there is a hole, but before going to make a hole, let's make this part. Sketch 1, click revolve boss base. Now axis of revolution already selected. Close geometry, selected entity. Let's choose one. Let's rotate this also. Okay. Make sure unmerge result, because I want to make this one as a different part. So don't disable this merge result. Angle 360 degree. Okay. Now here we have two body. Section view. Okay. Let's click normal view. See here. This is what I want to achieve, and we have. Look. Now there is a hole. M3 into 0.5, thread 8, depth 16. You will see here. And one more thing, this position for this hole 72 millimeter. This is the PCD, and 3 number of holes. Okay. So I am going to select hole wizard, and here we have option straight tap. ISO standard, not bottoming hole, this is tapped hole. Okay, let me select M3 into 0.3. If you don't get here, I am going to change standard. Let's say metric, tapped hole. Now here I am going to say, okay, this is M3 into 0.5, depth blind. Now overall depth 16. Fine. Up to shoulder, not up to tip. Now thread length, and that is 13, right? In options, select here this middle option, cosmetic thread with thread call out option position. Now select this face. Now I am going to place somewhere here. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension, and this distance going to be radius. So 70 divided by 2. Drawing is still not defined. Make one relation. Press and hold shift key, select the center point and center of this hole. Make relation or constraint vertical. Now if you see, this is fully defined sketch. Okay. Option, documents property, detailing, and here activate shaded cosmetic thread. Say okay. Now if you zoom, you will see. Now let's. Okay, now look, this is how the hole is created. If you make drawing, you will see the distance properly. Now let's activate linear circular pattern. Direction, I have to choose one circular edge or circular face. Let's say circular face. Equal spacing between two instances. 360 degree and 3 number of holes we want. Feature or facet, directly choose this. Now you will see preview, 3 holes going to create. Rest keep as it is. Okay. See. Let's hide body 2. Look. The hole is already made inside. Show. Okay. Now you will see the radius. These 2 lines shows radius. here also, both up down, here also, and see here also, and inside also same hole, 0.8 radius. And one more radius we forget to add, 6. Now click on the edge, fillet. Here choose constant type, edge already selected. Let me choose these two edges. Full preview, tangent propagation, and fillet parameter symmetric, and the size 6 millimeter. Again activate fillet, fillet type constant type, and this time 0.8. This is important, and I am going to select inside face. This edge. Okay. Now here not mention, fine. Let me select 1, 2. Okay. Let's move other side. Here also similar 1. Okay. This is another body, so we can't give to this. We have to apply in separate view. Okay, let me select this inside one first. Okay, we already have all the fillets here. Say okay. Again activate fillet. Now let's apply to another part. You can't apply fillet at a time in both parts. Now I think it's we done. Now material, you can directly right click, edit material, cast alloy steel. Here we have all the properties for this, even unit also. If you want to change Pascal, okay, apply, close. You will see the preview. But if you don't like this color, simply go to appearance, double click, and it will apply. Now you can change the color from here. This is going to be like this. Now real view, fine. Metal, I am going to change some faces. Steel, brushed steel, see, and these holes, and even parallelly control key, these two holes, brushed steel. Save it. So this is how we did a simple tutorial in SolidWorks with the help of basic tools. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.